Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to go live on CoverStar. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To go live on the CoverStar app, start by opening the app and logging into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one first. Once you're inside the app, look for the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen, similar to other short video platforms. Normally, tapping this button should show you different content options, including a live feature. However, if you don't see the live option, it means your account doesn't yet have permission to go live. CoverStar doesn't automatically give this feature to all users. To request access, you need to contact their team by submitting a request. Go to their contact page and fill in all the necessary information, including your CoverStar username, and clearly request access to the live feature. To improve your chances of getting approved, focus on creating high-quality content and staying active on the platform. Engagement and consistency matter. Also, make sure your app is always updated by checking the Play Store or App Store regularly. Once your request is approved, the live option should appear when you tap the plus icon, and you'll be able to start streaming. And that's it. So that's basically how you can go live on CoverStar. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.